Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very simple and very interesting DIY project. On my instrument panel, on the cluster panel, I'm going to upgrade the lights to LED light. This is a Hummer H2 2000 year model 6. Once you remove this panel, you can do this easy upgrade to LED lights. And I'm upgrading the LED lights to white color. You can modify the LED to red color, purple color, blue color, green color, cyan. I mean, name it. There are so many LEDs out there. Once you do it, it will glow in the dark and it's going to look beautiful. At this moment, these has original OEM bulbs, which are pretty decent. I like it. So let me share with you how I'm going to update it. And I'm going to list the part number of the LEDs under my description in case if you want to upgrade yours. It does not take that long to change it. It's very quick and very easy. Within half an hour, you can do the upgrade. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So after moving the instrument cluster, get a straight screwdriver. There are a few tappings which we need to pull up and then this will open up. 1, 2, 3. This will pop up from the top. And then there are 2 clips on the back. So what basically we need to do, so this one is pushed up, this one, and this one, there are 3. This one pops out. So there is 1 clip here, 1 clip here, goes right in here. So we're going to remove all the gauges. It's very easy and simple. You just pull it straight, just like that. Don't wiggle around too much, then they will break. Just grab and pull. So once we remove all these, the bulb, and if we take out the bulb out of the socket, this is how the bulb looks and this is the socket. And now we're going to upgrade these with LED. This is the LED kit. These are the LED I'm going to replace with. And I'll list the part number in the description so you can check it out. I'm going to change with the white color. You can use any color. There are so many colors out there. 9-volt battery and important. So it lights up. So I'm going to finish up like I did two, and I'm going to finish up the same way all of these, and then I will share with you. After installing all the LEDs, now we're going to test any one of them, and as soon as we test, they light up. These are individual LEDs. These lights up itself. Let me turn off the light. After turning off the light, let me test it for you. Look at how bright the clustered instrument panel looks. So it's not hard at all. As you've seen it, you can change to any color. So now I'm going to assemble it. I'm going to put it back, everything in the reverse order. After installing all the needle, we're going to put back the top cover. And now I'm going to install into the Hummer. And I'm going to enjoy the LED lighting. The cluster panel has been upgraded with LED. I'm back to my Hummer, and it's very easy to put it back in the reverse order. First thing, we're going to connect the connector. So once it's nicely tight, then we're going to put it back. I'm going to put the 4 screws in here. So these are 7mm screws. Once it's nicely secured, this is the first thing we're going to put inside, and we're going to put it down, and we're going to make sure this goes underneath. It's all done, then we push it back, just like that, and we're going to press it from this end as well. And these are long bolts, and now we can bring our steering wheel up, so it's easier to work with the drill. Once it's nicely tightened, this is perfectly in place. Now I'm going to put the 2 bolts in here, one here, and on the middle. We're going to put our hand in the middle, and we're going to press it. As you heard, it snaps in. The same thing on this side. These are the push pin guide pins, and we're going to press it in. The same way, just like that. You heard the noise. Now I'm going to put the 2 bolts here and 2 bolts on this side. That's how it's easy and simple. This is a super bright LED light. They're looking really awesome. I really like it. If you like this LED upgrade, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you get my videos. It's very bright. I really like it.